Hi, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Applied tutorial series. My name is Emily and I'm an admissions officer at Cal Poly. In this video, we will be covering how to add an international high school in the high schools attended tile, as well as completing the academic information tile, which are both located in the academic history quadrant. To begin, click on academic history. You'll then click on high schools attended and click on add high school. You'll then be able to choose the country where your high school is located. And then do a search, usually by city. I do for international. Now some options may come up that you can choose from. I'm going to look at schools in New Delhi. And this is going to bring up a list of different schools that are located in New Delhi. So if your school is on this list, go ahead and choose it. However, if your school is not on the list provided, you can go to Can't Find Your School, and this will allow you to manually input your school. So you choose the state, choose the city, and choose the school name. I'm going to click on Save. Now an additional list of schools may come up, and you'll just want to look through those and make sure again that your school isn't actually listed on here. If it is, make sure you choose it from this list. But if it is not, you'll go down to the very bottom where it says use original entry and click on that, and then click continue. Now you're going to choose the dates attended. And keep in mind that this date will always default to the month and year we're in. So you want to scroll back. I'm going to say that I started attending in August of 2017. And the end date is either when you stopped going to that school or when you plan on graduating from that school. So I'm planning on graduating in June 2021. Again, remember that we've defaulted to 2020, so just make sure that you're choosing a month within 2021 if you'll be graduating next year. You will then scroll down and choose the term type. You have quarter, semester, trimester, or full year. So choose how many times a year you get grades or marks. Choose the best option and click on Save This School. You will then have the option of adding additional high schools if you've attended more than one high school. If you have not attended more than one high school, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and click on the appropriate option for your graduation status. Most applicants will choose this first one that says I have or will graduate with my high school diploma. However, if you're receiving a high school equivalency, such as a GED, you can choose the second one. But if you'll not be receiving a high school diploma or any equivalent, you'll choose that third one. So if we've chosen the first one, it's going to say what school did you receive or will you be receiving your high school diploma from. You'll choose the appropriate school if there's more than one, and then the date that you have either received or expect to receive. Again, remember that if you're graduating in 2021, that you're going to want to choose a month that is in 2021. And then you'll click on Save and Continue. And that school has been saved successfully. You're going to go ahead and continue to the next section, which will bring you to the academic information. You'll be asked if you've attended a school outside of the United States, and you'll click on Yes, which will bring up two more questions. The first one is academic performance, which means either your high school GPA, your standing, percentage, whatever it may be. You do not need to worry about converting to a 4.0 system or trying to convert to American GPA. You'll put in whatever is appropriate for your school. So for example, if you're on a 10-point scale and you have an 8.7 cumulative GPA, you can put that in there. If you're on a 7-point scale, you could type in, 7-point scale. And then the next question is the name of your degree or diploma. So if the diploma is high school diploma, you can just put in high school diploma. If it is an IB diploma, you can type in IB diploma. If it's a higher secondary school certificate, you can type that in. So whatever the name of the degree or diploma for your particular school is, go ahead and type that in there. And then you'll just click on Save and Continue. So that is how to complete adding international high schools as well as the academic information. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact our office directly with any further questions. We wish you the best of luck. Thank you.